How's it going, YouTube? Do a quick video on 2012 Toyota Camry. I believe this is an SE with the 4-cylinder. Replace the passenger side wheel hub. Having wheel bearing issues. This one trash. It just sounded horrendous. And so basically, I guess I'm gonna just walk y'all through the tools I used. I already did the job, and then I thought about doing the video afterwards. So this is a 30 millimeter. I think I saw a video that said like 32 or 33. I had to make a few trips to the auto parts store, and it is a 30 millimeter. And it has to be, these are the torque specs of that nut. Very important. Let's see, these two are 22 inch, and I'm assuming this is 22 as well. Yeah, I used a 7/8 on the back because couldn't find another 22. You got a castle nut right here. This one's a 17, and there's a castle nut right here. This one is a 19. And then you have these two, the bolts that hold the brake caliper on, and they are a 17. Let me check and make sure. Yep, they are a 17. Brakes hold the caliper bolts on. That's the old pan right there. You're gonna have to take that off to get to the 19. And for those, I went and bought the pickle fork and a tie rod. And I mean, I'm sure you could get to it from the side, but I didn't really want to risk messing up anything, so I just took this pan off. The factory ones were a 10, but the new bolts were an 8. I mean, pretty much straightforward job. The wheel sensor was a 10. Let me make sure. Yep, the wheel speed sensor was a 10, and it's pretty straightforward. It wasn't hard to take use the pickle fork and the tie rod to take the ball joints off at all. Well, not off, but I popped them through, and it was pretty straightforward. I sprayed PB Blast all over the joints, so maybe that took some, maybe that helped, maybe it didn't, whatever. But yeah, this one makes no noise at all. I would spin it, but the other tire's on the ground over there, so it won't really spin. But that one sounded horrendous. Like, it sounded like someone was grinding a sword in a forge as you were driving. So this should make things a whole lot quieter. All right, YouTube, I just want to do a quick video on the tools I used. You know, I found errors in a few other videos I'd watched, so you know, this is pretty firsthand for myself, and y'all take it easy. Let me know if you got any questions.